In the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity, having the ability to predict and anticipate future security measures is of utmost importance. One of the key tools that can aid in this process is the future perfect tense. By using this tense, we can talk about actions that will have been completed by a certain time in the future, helping us anticipate the security measures that will be in place to combat emerging threats. For example, by 2025, many cybersecurity experts believe that biometric authentication will have become the standard for accessing sensitive data. Biometric authentication methods such as fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, and iris scanning will have been integrated into most devices and systems, providing an additional layer of security beyond traditional passwords and PINs. Furthermore, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning will have revolutionized cybersecurity practices. AI-powered tools will have been used to predict and prevent cyber attacks before they occur, allowing organizations to stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. Additionally, by 2030, quantum computing will have been harnessed to encrypt data in a way that is virtually unhackable, providing a quantum leap in cybersecurity. In addition to technological advancements, regulatory measures will have been put in place to ensure greater accountability and transparency in cybersecurity. By 2040, data privacy laws will have been strengthened, imposing hefty fines on organizations that fail to protect user data. Furthermore, international cooperation agreements will have been established to combat cyber threats on a global scale, facilitating information sharing and collaboration among countries. Overall, the future perfect tense allows us to envision a world where cybersecurity measures will have evolved to meet the challenges of tomorrow. By anticipating these future security measures, we can better prepare ourselves to defend against emerging cyber threats and safeguard our digital assets.